Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install and set up Claude Code inside Antigravity and how you can use Claude Code to build a simple project. So first of all, you need to open your Antigravity, and on the left side you will see this extensions option. So you need to click on extension, and here in the search option you need to search for Claude. And here you will see this option Claude Code for VS Code. So you need to click here. So even though it says for VS Code, but it will work in Antigravity as well. So here we're going to click on install, and we need to trust publisher and click on install. So there you can see it is installing, and it will take a few seconds to install. And I can see installation is complete. So when the installation is complete, you can just close this, and here on the left side you will see the Claude Code icon. So right now I am going to click on file, and let me just open a folder. So we'll click on file, then click here open folder, and let's say we're going to create a folder, and the folder name will be entry Claude. Then we are going to select this folder, then click here select folder. So this folder will open over here, and on the left side you will also see the Claude Code icon here. So we need to click here, and here you can see we have local and web, and at the top you can see new session. So we need to click here new session. So once you click on new session, it will open the Claude Code chat option. Here you can see. So here if you click on the plus icon, you can upload something to the Claude Code from your system. And here you can see slash. If you now click on slash, it will show you all the command over here, as you can see. So right now we can just tell Claude Code to build something for us, and Claude Code will do it for us. So but before that, let me just show you. Here you can see slash option. So I'm going to click on slash, and if you go down, it will show you a switch account option. Here you can see switch account. So I'm going to click here, and here you can see Claude AI subscription. So we need to click here, and if you now click on open, it will open a link in the browser. So from here you need to choose your email address to log in. So since I already logged into the Claude Code, that is why it directly took us to this page. So I just need to click here authorize, and there you can see build something great. So normally it will show you to sign up, but since I am already logged in, that's why it didn't show us anything else. So here we're just going to give a simple prompt, but before that let me just click here the file. So here whatever Claude Code build, all the files we will be able to see over here. So let's give a simple prompt that we want to build a simple real estate website for company using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I'm going to click here, and it will start building our website. And here you can see ask before edit. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to choose this option edit automatically, so it will not ask any permission while it is writing the code for us. Okay, so this is going to take some time. Right now I will just fast forward the video. So there you can see our project creation is complete. So we just need to open the index.html, and it will show us our website. So for it, let me just go to my folder, and I'll go to my project folder, which is this folder anti-cloud. Let's go inside, and we're going to click here index.html, and it will open our project, and there you can see it create quite an awesome website for a simple prompt. So yeah, this is how you can install Claude Code inside Antigravity and use it to build any kind of website. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.